Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu states, I entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam while he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was at Batha with his camel kneeled down. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked me, have you made intention for Hajj? I submitted, yes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, for what have you worn the ihram? I submitted that I made intention. I wear ihram for what Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam have donned it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you did well. Now take off the ihram after circumambulating Allah's house and marching between Safa and Marwa. Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu says, I circumambulated the Kaaba and marched between Safa and Marwa. I then came to a woman of Banu Qais who combed my head. Thereafter, I wore the pilgrim garb and I used to issue the same verdict until Hazrat Umar's time. A man said to me, O Abu Musa or Abdullah bin Qais, you should desist from issuing this verdict. Do not you know what new practices the believers' chief has introduced regarding Hajj? Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu whereupon said to those people whom he had given verdict, stop, the believers' chief is about to come, you must follow him. The reporter says, when Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu came, I mentioned it to him. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu whereupon said, if we follow Allah's book commands us to complete Hajj and Umrah. But if we follow the tradition of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not exit ihram until the sacrificial animal reached its place. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2948.